Yama munyina cho ene na eda foforo Nyankopon ayede ama me no mienu baabi a obi a mechia o yenuanom Ghanafo a mo amahodo so a brebia musin konwa gibreto ehwe First TV and we thank God for your life. Sabre eyemre yenimsi nipa dodo na afi na moteka mu amonko fie mu amadu fie nyina ne nyina yenka mu ne emfasede mu odemfa mu otumfo Nyankopon enam se one ye di ne yie se ode abedu baabi edu ha First TV na unua odofo obibia obenmensa ena so ne wahia e First TV so enkomo ena ye ba bi di enkomo a beboa yen am ye suade na yakoyenim na yehu se di wiase wesi nsu etie enwumre yensa ka opani ani din edi Jonathan Echampon oye IT consultant ena nsu ye ne ni bi din komo na ye suade because said there omanfo etin sembebre na nso ahonim die no yenyaye no ye suade sa akwa no so dia na kyerese Nyankopon nam so ayadom wo bie adwene enti ase ani wani na yetimi atenomase yera Jonathan Echampon ye IT consultant ene yeni ni din komo afa se wiase no adru baabi ama mobile phone po obitimi de spark car mobile phone obitimi de spark car eno ho komo na ye ba bi die I mean, if we are say calling ewo abefo kwantempon kwanso a kwanya enipa de ITA di bone anase nipa bi nim dia wo monsa ka wo di bone emu baako obi mobile phone utimi di spark obi car ene normal bebre ene nwumre yasi nkonwa ye ba beka ho asem yera Jonathan Echampon we are IT consultant ye mo adwe de ba First TV so
michiawo ahwefo nyina
ya do as papa because we know how busy you are enti say yenya o say na ye ni GSM e de emaye say the medical aka no ene ye wo modern age in terms of technology ama technology no omo asua no omo ede ye papa ene omo ede ye bone but we are saying no bone any BC kwasa until all the time and also na say ye chile nipa so that we can prevent say the be obi ntimi for some time now no be afro no be afro be to ne car obi say ye gubekom. There's a particular case kasa am follow ye che guy no or the mobile phone and it me sparky obi car it me be a door no a move car no how does it work e kwambe so eno obetimi asua IT a obetimi de the phone a bi obi car a move car no dia
okay they all can dey in the most cases no enye nipa hu keke na betimi de mobile phone as park car no before we betimi de mobile phone as park car no na empemebe no device for bi so ka ho eboa ma sa pakone device ne mobile phone no communicate. It means spark car no. A simple device which is a signal jammer. A device the idea is say a boama a distorted and I say a distracted devices and I say technology via a use waves connectivity. And now saying so no and I'm say car name the economy to know. Most cars be now ben use immobilizers and the control board. Car biara more than we did this from 2001
from 2001
no sa cars na bebre na use mobilizer we bi na mobilizer no dey ba dey small device bi a bo car no steer na se na no na sa wo cost park car na wo do key ni shema before about 10 key no mobilizer no ene key no ewo
ayonkofa
bi
connection
very good on me no be hia enti key na kita ho so wo de shaka ni mu na sa pin no ana say device na ni mobilizer na hia wo tene a end so enti kwan me na ni pa kon bet ma fa so de aspark ye wo ne good side ne wo ne bad side wanga sa wo kwan po no bet me de sa kwan we afa so aspark o kan abra wo ni second device no using only your mobile phone
ayo ka wona
ayo ka wona no enti fanisa ebia wogya wo key e wo dem na se obi wo dem na am se sa mobilizer no use connection be from 400 to 500 waves intino any mobile phone a brakakra mobile phone so within 600 to 800 right intino se obi wo dem na sa wo car no na sa wo fini pakọ no na sa wo the mobile phone no try mobilizer no na ni pakọ no mia key ni so wo dem ma car no beje so
okay
through that connectivity no
okay
and a very simple techniques and a tricker obetimi afa so the sparkle car and then the obi abetimi aye but the only key no be anything
the only key no be say jina ho fama me na me nkoso enkyere tie for say First TV enie abusua ade na yesua say the be betimi aboy ho ban na say the Bible aka say wonko anya de papa ma nko ahomfa no ani die kwan so mesrew oba so share ya na wa share ye video no e de aman na wonua bi a o ti ba bi no ono nso anya bi ahwe na wasua ade de abo na ho ban mesrew share nkomo ayi de ye First TV no na wa share ye page ni de aman na mom de hia ye pa ye so ba ya man ni say di kan follow your page no na like it u follow na wa like it e ma remfi so subscribe to First TV Ghana your channel no e wo YouTube e ye First TV Ghana First TV Ghana uko YouTube sabra me na o ka say na wako First TV Ghana your channel no na wa subscribe e de aman but share video no komo aye di no obetimi do adwenche to comment section ho ya beje brani akenkan se bibi na wonti ase contribution bi na wo adwenche bi na wo anase question pu na apese obisa wo de eto ho a ye bekenkan na yira a champion ye IT consultant akama but ani die kwanso no like a page no na share fa emaye na follow more importantly no uko YouTube a ye First TV Ghana First TV Ghana na wa subscribe e wo YouTube e de amaye ye re champion na wa nugusu a o ka se
sa
yentu aso
good it is na me cheche no kwan be na sa ni pa boni fu ebetimi afa so e de sa devices here e ba se e be boa nipa ama nipa ko nanim no signal jammer no e ya ade bi a e din e da technology ne so but ye wo brand and models wo ha obetimi aden ade we test and now wait me there literature in the sane pako edi kan ba o car no ho a first of all the here ne kase pa ye doors na akeka si ani no right in the door no so ya de bi a enam se door no so wo no an technology into den so beti me bi door no
mame nche mi nu yen
okay
giga Kian that from Pon or US Abuchima Minian or Akwasi or Shayen, only Abusian for or Nina no memoajo, Giga memoajo. Chief Yantaso,
Sapa Pepe. Inti the Paconi here so obe trying the best say obit me a obe unlock a car and doors no. And I'm saying the baby now so any panya obit my fast unlock a doors to go how
unlock doors near Kwan Faso baby
doors no because doors no so okay doors no so one the lockers and I say well nyama akikasi eni a e mapon no to car ne pon no right you want so technology wo ha e use magnet a wo the can door na say wo the activity a be bie doors na ma yes and also device wo ha wo the tale ho because doors no range within 5 to 12 volts into man 20 volts per e be unlock doors no motors na ma but and I'm say obu wo hosa ne nim die nim du wonti no ono abepe dade bia na abepe bi dia share doors no ho ebie apon no japon ni bie wie a then obe make sure say sa signal jammer o de be call mobilizer no ho na o de jamming mobilizer no be dey adwum be dey
enti signal jammer ne de e hye nipa no ho
e hye no ho
e no de call car okay
into the back car no ho a the here ne say obe make sure obe distort and obe distract immobilizer na
obe distract che say obe say
obe dum no and also obe ma adekwede na enya juma
okay
it is so odum na ade ne be so back a be reset key bi e wo mu bia abo amaka ne so the namsa no we make sure say obe your software etimi control immobilizer no aya car spark It is obe make sure say obe so sa car spark no. It is a car immobilizer na air so a na activate car spark no. Then they no so obe mia so on the phone say be a spark. When engine spark. Aye dwuma bia so obi a why not just obe bokro no. In the area. At the same time so no aye experience and answer aye addition aboama cyber security personnel and answer mechanics for eso gina so teme de boa obi a ne key ayera ana obi a sabe car no opese osesa control board and immobilizer no opese odi free baby ko baby but obi so afasa kan so didi bone ntimi anya wadwen se o park o car o kwan ho a obi ntimi mfa ne nsan de enka ye krom ana bone sa bone akese no enye du ko western world ne grow afoforo na de bia stolen cars ba enye ne park ne person ne car na ewia wo eye sa nyansa nipa da sa ne nim no no
nyansa bone
yes omu gina so de ade apeke car na de ewia car na ba nti wo car no de oben o car na si abonte wo ne de sabe opa anime ko fie ade ba chema na yetu abesi ufia no because car no nyansa che ne say technology bia wo kwan so ne kasa ade na o ki yira yetimi track people from because boni na yes anyama we nyina ho nyansa to wo say o ki yira mpo a obi wo afidie a broker na adwen ne ntia ase so betima bo ama wetima de was park your car nti sa afidie no nya de boni a ye de aba se ebe tete na ebe di obi boni but the pada say na ejina so and wafa sa nyansa no e de bo apo and e de boni
right aha first TV oba so ano a share video no e de amayen IT hu nkomo na yedie da bia ka se da ya no yeso obi awi aka afrabuche obi sine ka opaki obi atu ene epesi esu ade na yehu se de beti aboyon ba Ibre Champon eti mema toka obroni na ye me system no se de wa kire mi ene wa another system wa otimi de counter ni paboni fo de aka no eti me as a car winner no bibi o wa metimi aye odi ama me car no a say ni paboni fo intimi nya asese
na de beti pa say bibi abeko bia ye garage ho na de car na shim because if you bia ya bia no utimi dane no ko boni ni yen such a way that so ama ho kwa ma ni panda na efidie na efidie ni di boni a ho na betia no nti sa nyansa we wo efidie nim no enye nyansa e ba bi di nipa boni but nipa bi nim sa akwan no ma fa so di ye boni won say the last time we shall make bibi say reverse engineering ya engineer system no no be afa kwan bi so reverse engineering no tsena be ya o de be ya de be boa no but boni bet mind is such a way that that system no obi entimi nkombo ye no sa so a se bibi yira won ho a car no coded obi entimi fa no sign dem enka aye condemn but onim se nipa inform so nipa ho nti no e so ma ho kwan no oja back door na oja mfikyire tuto efidie bie mu na boa ma nipa timi gina so timi ye de nsaka na ade but just that kwan na anantoku na da efidie ho no ehia ma obi efidie no ase ana obi onim efidie ni nyansa ne nimdie and with me gina sa anyama no so ene efe ne back door and efe ne vulnerabilities no and flaws na make am asem nti sa anyama we nyina ya de aboni na agija wo efidie mu a eboa ma nipa etimi gina so timi de retrieve ade bi ayera and na hackers no so fa so e de break into systems no nti efidie bia no aye technology die sabe kwa wo mi se etimi wem nti sa wote se ya hack obi am na nyawa yes
say waka hacking asamba mu dia na mamentua so nko manim this year election year
yes
na setiefo be kai a 2016 me kai se so an wie no electoral commissioner be kan say almost system no and go for hacking how does it work na me from say aba here be tui no can a group of people be everything to sana
of course they will try so rim depending on the system you know algorithms and I say technology no mo dey build the system no and na betimi aboa ama saa nipa bone for intimi nya kwan enwem and I me did you say and I'm say I national ade bi ntino enkoya ade a ni ubenya easy so betimi rim but possible So we use cheap systems there possible. And of course, they will not use cheap systems. So what is say a hacking easy system? Maybe a developer not sure system.
Oh, yeah, 2016 the case study.
Yes.
Because so I say Sabre Yama Charlotte say be cancer our system no.
Yeah.
Hacking.
Yes.
What do we think say? A day na course so about to come say dwuma mu a man nipa bi timi penetrate yes
maybe a theory. Theory in the sense that a bit my casa will be I didn't be able to say a hacker system. Maybe beginning no develop application for this election. Maybe I'm from so Kitibu Oma. I'm doing ambasso. Most cases, no application be a developer.
Application here.
Application here. Adena ye jina so dia to aba na software na ye de to aba na.
Okay.
Right? Yes. Software na ye de to aba na. So the software no ejija kwan edidade de mo a eno na obi ti me fa so etime de nsakeka. Me the man test system no. But omo test here no hu say flaws wo ne ma ho kwan hack here. Sanka system no omo nya botre test system na ebi so ha na sabe kwan dem ba pressure na ba system so no etimi jam system no obi timi nya sa kwan no obi your friend be denial of service attack that denial of service attack no here the paboni for obi timi tuna ha etimi command committers be 5,000
say computers
yes
be a mako 5,000
yes anko back machine back person until no matter who you are so who needs sa ahode na your system no who needs sa ahode na sa zombie na eba oso na sa ni pade do virtual machines na eba oso no untimi ni omonko nti ebe distract o system na ebe jam o software no o jam o software no so ebia wa santra algorithm bi o mu say the moment obetimi nya kwa jam no onkomu na oncheni sa code we na fa we nhye ho na on san release o na ye wadwuma nti no sa me no wo de bibia hye mu a wonim ayeso obi edin sa account na ntempa na waye surgery de bibia so body nim don't them near track so nim say track o jini na jam machine no ene software na ho odin eso so machine no wa ho odin na software no so wa ho odin kwa dia of course they will have a monitoring team so omo wo ha omo be make sure say pressure bia no is being monitored based on IP ne performance ne obi wo how to say from one particular area amount for price for mobile room you need to suspect such moves na we make sure say we be hwemu e be mpoko aba block sa channel no for security reason ade biara IT and technology involved no kan hu say ensusanso.
That is it.
Yes, ade biara technology biara no technology is never perfect. You need a expert in cyber security and a framework and a framework. You need to always update yourself. Day in, day out, they say we study problems are aba and they can't bit my fast so they are source problems now. But our friend wants to security expert there. The basic chance so we the basic chance we need to be an expert. In your use our framework under the cyber security law. And then I did also they are building your home. Because the child to say hacking be a coswa. We best study the system now kind of a fast with the ball no we see who kind. When we say watching into the offer kind for fossil.
To one night.
On that. It possible, yes.
I have first TV, or a champion IT consultant. And ye did your home and come out any dear council said the mark no bar no I share video no at their mind oko a year YouTuber no subscribe to First TV Ghana na yenu nyina abum akoyenim ye wie ni sei ade ba ko a ewo kroma se ye nipa bebre ntia se ye re champion o Ghana ha na se wunya call free abruchia
yeah
over na number Ghana number
okay.
Nipa bebre kan wasamia nkasama witness
okay
but you say abrochire number is different from Ghana number eye denti ne wo Ghana ha no bitimi tia America Britain wherever they baby nipa no bia ofrewa instead say ebeba kro no number no na aba Ghana number
okay
sa Ghana number no so ebeba no ni di nkomo no bia wo number no ofre kwa enko
okay
eye dia
ni kwakra nya ne say sa kwan a nipa kɔne fa so da frɛ no ɛyɛ ade a ɔman no ɛmpene ɛnsoso so yɛfɛ ne sandbox fraud ɛyɛ fraud
ɛno ne yɛka no sandbox fraud
wobɛka yɛ mmerɛ bi atwa mu wo sɛ bɛgye din wɔ kurom apaa
yes
ɛma yɛkyekye mpanimfoɔ bi koraa sɛ ɔmo yɛ sandbox fraud yes ɛyɛ ade a ɛnyɛ because sɛ obi frɛ wo frɛ aburokyire na sɛ ɛba Ghana nɔma deɛ a onyankana nɔma no wɔ ne frɛ wo
sure
you see ɛyɛ nipa bi ɔwɔ saa kurom hɔ sɛ UK na ɔfrɛ wɔ fie a obi ayɛ no ho sɛ wabuild ɔno ara ne powerhouse bi a meka powerhouse ɔno ara ne systems a wɔde agenerate Ghana numbers bebree wɔ kurom ha symbols na ankasa mu na ayɛ sɛ biribi sɛ computer
okay
ɛna ɛwɔ slot a ɛfa sim cards hyehyɛ mu
ɛyɛ chip a yɛde da iPhone sɛ kansa sim card
but ɛno no ɛyi so full sim card na ankasa wotɔ sim na wo sɛ yɛhyɛ card ni wo bu afim
yes
ne sɛ credit deɛ no
yeah
yes until wo bɛ slot sim card ni na ahyɛ box nim box bia ni deɛ ɛdɛ ɛfa ebi fa 16 ebi fa 32 ebi fa 64 good nti me bɛ kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ na bɛ a etiefo bɛ te saa deɛ we ase deɛ ma sim box no yɛ bɔne ana yɛ fraud ni sɛ obi bi ɔfrɛfrɛ abɔkyɛ biara through sim box no ontia for international charges ɔbɔ ɔman ne ka ɔbɔ telco ne ka nti ɛyɛ bɔne ma kuro wɔ mu ɛyɛ Ghana kuro
ɛma ban ne lusu revenue
ba kuro a local charges ɛyɛ more expensive than international cost no sim box ɛnyɛ fraud wɔ hɔ because sim box na ɔde frɛ no ɛba bɛsi Ghana nɔma na Ghana nɔma na afrɛ wo nipa nama nti no kuro no sɛ ne local charges no ɛyɛ higher than international a ɔde sim box na efrɛ no kuro ne kɔ nyanko bi afa sim box kwan dɛ ɛnfrɛ fie
because
ɔbɛnya local charges yes
obenya local
charges sika more than international cost no by a crew man no enam say international charges near higher than local charges nti no so wo frɛ efra brochire na sa wo kɔtɔ sabe first the business say go mama go Africa wo ta yes ko boot no abo e bia normal bi wo frɛ normal na yes dial your destination nti ni na you so through your friend be voice over IP nti wo frɛ sa normal na ekosi obi fie a wa mountain technology ketu ebi na saa da kwane technology afresh symbols na wono amount o Ghana ha no nti sika is o manye nyawo da kwane o fefie na o tiama de o wa abrochie no
okay
right into tiama da kwane o abrochie no ba kwane so be make sure say e be see the symbols ni ma na number bia wa to fit telcos no e ya available no na peki mu ba ko na afre di pa kwane o wo krom ha no nti bo no obi timi to sen bebre o de kwaya sa adwumadie no into be steady akama ya chichi nipa bebe na omo yes sim box so bako no na sim ni gugugugu omo fitire bebre yes so sim no e fa wo wie na wo frɛ back a enko because dead sim e sim a ye register and recognize eni obi a dey mu nti ade e ma ne ye bone ne sɛ obi biara o frɛ brochire biara no a obeto card a card ni recognize okrom ho no kan wo so or support sim box fraud and also about fraud against cloning man so
fane say Ghana ha fane say obi wa brochire and offer the nipa bi wo Ghana
very good
and call ne buy no Ghana number enya brochire number eti ni abrochire ho no obi aye saa symbols fraud
obi aye saa symbols fraud
e wone there
ono obi na ahyeson wo ha
eti na eti before say can say symbols fraud
because nipa mienu
nipa mienu
yes ba ko okrom ha
ba ko Ghana
na ba abrochire very good nti the work abrochire no asset say cafe
okay
no wato internet time egu so
okay
no connect internet time na ma symbols no through internet abesi so Ghana
okay
we go need na use IP to link you through internet
okay
nti say ono wa create card no brand no wo de egu we no auto black market it do call black market what mean card be say stand card go Africa e be out of £5 what mean free be 30 minutes
okay
because you say £5 e be 30 cedis no e be kasa of course be 1 hour krom ha
yeah
nti ono be make yourself £5 hour to no e be obefa mo £3 no the £2 amount a wuhu ba only worth £5 e ba jwa ase nti sa card no turn black market this can e call ni pa no direct so they make billions of cedis on the black market nti unie bi o wa akwanto bi o ba koto card e wo black market a obe fra fie a baba Ghana no ma biara kan hu so no ososo fraud so ososo symbol fraud so ye wo kwan se e chem na one can say change your head or receive call so
enti apart from say omo yes inbox fraud no mpo no asset omo machines no monya counterpart or Ghana meme or Ghana me nua wa bruchi of frame a ebeba Ghana number no mo di dis abone no nipa na oye call no your particular card I no akotwa
very good someone no mo yes inbox media no Omaka soma generate omo numbers
omo code system
yes no ma call printing press no ma design card be scratch so the cell phone card paper
said yeah
or card or Ghana no
yes
very good now what scratch so I be catch say Fred destination number bi wo so inde bia wo fanisan card bi am be say me fra buchiri a card na me chem ba ma me one particular number me frɛ no ma no ma nya fa no akata me mo bo me destination number no wo pin pad ne so we talk now we didn't fan free direct we be friend number bi also na number na there na some number na internet number no man na be direct be system box no so
okay
na fair chrome ni panama
okay
nti obi aso dey say we receive call from abuchire na local number catch out nipa na wo fa ana o ma me ana o se wa no say ma you say nya call na Ghana number na abuchire a sim box for do ma me srew ko na koto international card number Ghana mremu no ya hihya to say papa catch o ma me sa no all hang call no enyo sa ni wa we receive call no o fo abone so the offense so e fo abone so o bo ma nya ka
entity said the canon enya dia fancy obi ti abrochire eno akoto the required credit
yes
e dey ye call symbols fraud from between a hacker that
no never
unless it's akoto
card
and no free
symbols black market
our black market
and our card say genuine no so no so talk card now you are allowed to call your destination abra own friend person number be aso
yeah straightforward
o free direct the hands or phone boot now you load your card and now the shame now all the shame we are then now I catch us about destination then their own friend person number be aso o free direct ebeba SARS boot now friend number and I say o dey o phone put na free ebeba o phone number ni pepe by a sim box for there you be directed to call a specific number be or card na so na card na catch us say but o destination number no ema no now can say hold on your call is being directed now you are directed by sim box no so ha e bet take about 30 seconds into a free fear sim box na be so na e bet check the available slot and you busy
okay
into pick slot na at the number 9 then afeni pakono ama into be realize ya sim box for no kasa ya na mu chichi e we chi otin pakono kasa we chi is because of internet problem na connectivity na wo ho no because obi frɛ if abrochire a anya na credit say mu chichi a internet depend na odi na nse na ni bia ba internet dey odi ekwa mu da ho first no wa need to Skype any ade wo dey flow bia utimi ko gina personal per reception because we are 3G near very bad it is a obi fail symbol so utimi say call near very poor na dey ba ko san ya ibufu kese o mu pa ne say symbols no so mo mount wo ye territory ha be bia e be distract all networks e wa nyina na age signal na boso
it ye fa ne say bia obi brono a nipa ne teso no
yes
so obi o dis abone na mo amoto mfa mo ye kwa
enko ye na at mo tete na mo complain
na wo blame network na
abra network ni mo hwe abra network ni mo hwe na am sa ko device ni powerful the idea na nya for sa abone no
okay
technology boni ni ye in such a way that obi a oye email SMS marketing and phone marketing wait me the one single call afre nipa bebre idea no but nipa bi so hu say idea we dey bet me dey edi bone nti uti ekura bi ase no ho de no obi anche kuro no na akoye dey akoma o sa device now dey SMS and now telephone telephone marketing no be pa chwa ase nti no uhwe ma eye idea bi a sebe boni ni ye so de be boa me ne omi but enam obi so a ono so na dwen say mesua technology me use dey di bone no ono so be so fa sa kwan ebo telcos no ka me ka telcos na ye telecom companies na bo ka pa one ma wo nyom international charges entia tax ma ban tax ya na dey teacher man second me no mi no so bi ye bi wo ha ye course any business nya be kofom me network a me dey browse me internet wan ka sa wo course a wo be ye nyina no
performance no yes say we ye
and obi biara so a wo yes inbox for the biara no so no kai ho say network crowd wo di ne sem ndi bone no obetime ehu be bia wo abefa
eno na ka me ba be busa wo say ye omu a na yakochi bi
ye be chewo
ye omu a na yakochi bi
yes
e kwan be na fa so ye adwuma ye timi track wo mo chi
na obe wo te hey so wonam krom na say fanya say wakwa circle na circle la wo nam no wo so wo de wadi ahoden aduro na wo so car obi ehun say wo so car
obi abe
sanity enam pressure na wo inbox ne so ntino radiation ya ebe indicate wo network no so ebe ma obi ehun say pressure bi fi baby say ba
eye telecos for no
yes.
What I say be eye MTN whatever no
network bi
omo adwuma mu a
omo they will detect
a particular area
where pressure be free over. Omeja sa reconnaissance no so na footprint no so. E dey akohwehwe de bia de kude na feedback. E dan dey ehwem bia of some marks na esi ho no. Right? Alpha, gamma, beta. 360 now umunye miensa ta na etwa bia se hu nya ahia. Bia wo bia e pinpoint to timi chew say first TV wo ha. Ni e champion wo ha. Esimesi wa ha nti minu mienu die under the radar of technology no bibia nan bia no government no wo yeso tumi so hu bibia ehye obi ntimi ndi bone nkoche so mu this is
see you no
ye enye possible and na bia bibia wo hye na yesa banche na ewo ho ba sa technology pa wo ho dia na wakasa mu no so ya target with a specific device we say with device I will use you pick or IMEI, you pick or IP. This will help whoever tracking your footprint, you know, to locate you. Say oh and now. You know, Simbox in there. I idea be such a way that I have one nipa that's in terms of marketing. Because you be a bit my friend will be which mean for nipa 5,000 a day. Into which me record the voices to her. No more program my Simbox no. The Simbox now be free or marketing phone na catch your BR say and now you need to call these customers. The more free customers now munyese and now through our recorded videos no and our recorded voices no. Some person dey for customers so wait my record it at to her. Now the amount of Simbox now Simbox be for customers nyina no sesona wo ha no nya call. Hi, my name is Efia calling from Airtel. We are recorded. Yes, our technology will be use, but any for bonnet council, for marketing, for advertisement. But we be who say, me any pa bako ha. Ye mount ye new internet in for crime so. Ye find international charges infinite pay be ho. Ye first coming day. Just say, oh yes, what for dia? Ye chewa me de be make I say jelu. I want 5 years. Oh yes.
Serious.
Yes.
Because one more minor lose revenue no cry no.
Sir.
Locality now we are there.
O sell
what say any per
o send money you o send international charges tax UBT o this kana ko bottom. 2 nipa na oti kumo na obo na bra na ono de oni bibia ni adochi na obo na bra na oye ni man. What and distracting the network or the any business. Nji okwa about na oye call na hello mentio hello and now so be share makola baby our mount Simbox ntino or the abesha nipa do dominim no this you tell me say one nam aso fa junction where network na nye obi te say enyama bone ekoso infitri a odwo ha onti ase
to be o say area metino there network no ya na I say
very good so any reception any poor or there and then ekoso e say ya o ma say there so mo hwem de nti a network no and our reception no enye ho
aha first TV and this year mugusu amohwe yene yenua a champion ora Jonathan a champion ya IT consultant and yedi nkomo a yesuesua ade said ye be ya ye koyanimi nyina no na trese ye hu said ye abafu nim de computer na sa normal no eno so esifa eye adwuma edi efa na ama impuntuo etimi aba na yetimi aboye ho ban ewo saa kwantempon kwan no eso yewre champion na yetoa enkomo no eso a se obi ka se ni data. You example what you mean?
So we do comment bu ha.
Sir.
Menu kese.
I say, please, this is not true. I am in Stockholm, Sweden. I'm not doing anything bad, but there are so many times I call Ghana, but my number go as if I am calling from Ghana, but I don't do anything like that. Not just say, you know, and also question, no. Say, tell your friend, fear, na abaga number, but also call black market. And kotos our more adeno.
Okay, now first of all, me never just say you be treating it in a some way, in a special way. Now, what in the house, na boa for so. You can black market in a day.
Okay.
And you might be analyze it. So also was Stockholm.
Yeah, Sweden.
Of Refia and back. Casanwaka.
Of Refia, Ghana.
On one Casamono also on your bonny bibisa.
Yeah.
Obianca, so wow, yes, I know your bonny. You will be the air, dear winning. Same Aukitano, minim same crop. Even cross a similar campo, a part of Sassen box activities in Cayenne. Come out the Frefi. Auto credit go phone so, no fair. And now auto card. Now, what fair card, na card, not director. You bet man like this, as more can be brave so. Until say an expert, 8 minutes wakasa, ajo phone, no ajo sem, no affair, and your mind cost for phones before I bet my testify say, and pa the okano, meme boa na answer one. He can do a research on what I'm telling him. And then me say it's a theory, a research, a idea. First of all, no, ya test it. I him say di krono and I book kronika. It's a free na say a basa normal na. Fashion team say a sandbox fraud.
I feel say baby bia no me ya tina say. O say na wo can say before say Oberfra Brucha number never Ghana number no. I just say who nipa no o card akotoye no and your original.
Okay.
From telecommunication chrono subscribe to no.
Okay.
And to hear me na 7 but so just say auto original card if we say teleco chrono or subscribe but yes to free Ghana na pa Ghana number meaning say make what
matter point na say. Yeah. You say our sound say o discuss gu ne same no so na that free. Now me can say first of all no until we have analyzed even which network or what. Of course. We have who are mounted even a fraud network almost same man for fraud. Private businesses are quite use sandbox way. I say Chrome one day and scam but me Chrome hano. So fraud be through sandbox because who beat international charges. Who beat international charges no chronica. Oh distracted. Obi a what's our locality no and now the strategy course be a eba and of course obi be so ye it is so no personally the mean to me analyze the kind of network or use okromo ho it could be say ebia sa telco company no kwampo no e use sa sandbox and I use sa technology na different
okay
and
companies not me and sir
I'm sure say e bone abra o ye call no o local charges are cheaper than international charges. Me Chrome ha sandbox bone. Nigeria sandbox because
Nigeria.
Yes, because all no local charges are expensive. It will be the sandbox for fear. Local ko obi tia mo to obi first international normal there and obi fair through international means. And it is possible, sir. We have private institutions who are they have the right to own sandbox. They have the right to mount their own SIM cards. They have their right to own their own SIM cards. Or meet my money power talk. I'm not right, but probably they will use this sandbox technology, to leverage as a means to make calls. But right as here, integrate maybe soon. Maybe a network business. Maybe First TV UK. A private company. I don't know the ISNI will become we are all doing virtualization. Obi na social media so not or there any TV, right? Sana will use my owning a private network or no or use internet as only the means or the boaman for the call. But for fear, to skeguswa, let's can have sandbox so they are free fear there. mimi chrome ade wo ye call no na go through Simbox bone maybe your friend Nigeria enye bone ye be chew
eti na chese de wa kire no enye country bia na Simbox ye bone depending on no
yes kronim ra
eti Africa ha pro bi ti say Nigeria say
enye bone
yes
because charges na Simbox na dey free fee no local charges you see no more send them minimum but as at 2 years ago all the Simbox free fee Nigeria right to say Lagos o free one hour boka because o local call now you no boy dey same foreign call no why will you prefer to use local number say be free obi wo fee so you prefer to use the international means now that you call na at all kete
say Nigeria no what they me say kay wo Ghana here dey MTN from MTN to MTN no Nigeria na no expensive aye locally cost no ne bonnet
ne bonnet dey say e kroma no
so ofra brochire no
yes ofra brochire dey cheaper for say Ghana obi frɛ o me no kasa e be at 40 pesos per minute e be for abrochire cost 90 pesos
sure
it is so obi frɛ brochire na Simbox na frɛ look e ma Ghana normal frɛ me Ghana normal o tia 40 pesos per minute
oh
bank of freight through the normal means no be tia 90 pesos they be an top 5 pound oba kasa be about 10 minutes but now so all use Simbox means in the oba kasa be about 30 minutes o bomeka o bokronika o the strategy communication o frɛ Nigeria e bia o frɛ kromu ho a local cost till 1 cedi per minute e bia foreign call to 20 pesos
okay
o be try all this Simbox be free fee o nye
because the board
one kasa want 5 pound kwa o kasa wo fie Nigeria obi kasa 3 minutes na card nasa o kasa and my free fee through card we nasa it is because akwan a call the name so they free fee no go through channel be expenses near higher than all the normal cost near them I be free me can my advice tete na ye nya wa brochi no ye ma me wa brochi no obi a be free o mo phone boot o mo da free baba no bona abroche no ma na eguso abroche no ma na frɛ o na nsenya 10 years ago ya be ya na obi frɛ abroche enam sa distortion nyama kitikiti ya technology dey abante no na ba efo so di o ma adwen ne o mo nyansa ejina so e dey bo kro bi bon apo
yura a champion my last topic na ene yankomo twetwe na dey abawie no adenti na nipa bebrete Ghana ha ne bi use American number maybe use British number moreover yenim say na WhatsApp na abeba na quarantine no obi o America and aba Ghana otimi use ne chip no ba ye nipa bi o Ghana ha o ko abuchire da menim say the matter was but yes so they are using foreign number ayo mu nua bi na o na agya mo na say dey
oh say because of roaming into of course with me a place with me to same card online Google we have a lot of companies I bet me I catch up say you don't your friend the second number now in no amount of concern you use second number but you have to use your real identity I be born you do one file real identity and register same card no
second number e wo mremu no and only a foreign number na
so obi wuti hey me nyini say o number wo ne wo ye no manim no and no be business pay business now will be phrases so when you say which start
but they are all Ghana numbers
of course
yeah
maybe now we target audience abroche and you most know we be all deliver with Americans and our customers be now from UK and US so you prefer to give them cheap charges into prefer say to US number now we me be say wo number so ha same nation was ofun pepepe we betia a car on metia no we ba afa bo on we tia they be obi frɛ anyway the income obi faces our US normal or na charges near cheaper and man because when you say our frɛ o Ghana you have a second number US number obi timi no di income bebre into ebia also business our no the charges in na hyemu wo ho so ebia what on product na ebia $1 and am say our face US number they be what charge ebia $1 ebia 30 cents na o dia ka ho ama no abra ebia nta kona show terms and conditions mo say o face me US number so bia na utia charges say e wa de ko de na o pesa wo to ho nti no boa ma nipa bebe na business kon kan e ko nanim e ma omo so omo ho ye ha wonyama bi ko bi wa obi mpo no so o be ye transaction onye hu say Ghana number pe on frɛ Yes, because when you say, hey, Africa, Ghana, the equipment and what business we know. You know, before you can even do that, no, you sometimes need to have this number to build trust on the market. No, it is our market in Beijing. You know, from say, oh, seven, but when you cry in the castle Ghana, but because of Jane, your home, to number say about Cabin, or the American money and Delhi. You're bound to see about track, you've been now location because same card never had. I registered to a telco B network, being Vodafone, MTN, and I say Glow. I pick it, you know, they know your location, they know your footprint. They'll be on and they could see, meet my monitor, meet me home, because I know they would be on it.
You're a champion, I then ocean come why ye dina say, so be a touch it no register there. San number no every dibonia. I see it me tracking you, no. Chroma yin crofwa, a di mobile phone, air threatening crofo, ye be kum, one more day sending message, one more di bonnet. I didn't any people will say one chill.
Okay, I think it's a problem maybe now. You say I am most no. The problem maybe now toss them now. I use fake IDs and they register for. And in most cases, no more some seminar. And I'm I won't hear any and what share work room hunting. Obi back no the ID card back. That's ID card numpo near the Nsaka and I ID ten poor. The Paconi need if you did be a wait media scan ID card now say ID card not back on the abano. A ID card I valid and as I valid. And also be me or who picture now or when you know if you can be na share them ID card no and did not my be at so. Do me not the same non the cinema telco no. Na say a case successful registered. On the other no work. Obi bia with this money we bia no they don't use their real identity. Most of time no cry no. Omo wia, omo yisem no, omo bu mienu. Omo ade omo to achime. But ade ba kwa meti ma hye no so kese no say technology ade bia and disappointing nipa. And next we be dina ha ye call edidi bone a register sign up a contract and then call you free her. If you die with me the bar. In this 100 years now, this location has been pinpoint. And yeah, my phone actually say, Omoye de Omoye Sanimani. So obi di bonnet, Juma obi di bonnet na the court, na court Emma judgment, near the commercial and head papana. Police for you shall bet you. It is obi di bonnet, I was said yes, sir. We follow up. We are assembly court, we are assembly day. The two. Now we follow up. Now so also be after I do sika. It's a mobile money fraud. No be after no I do 2,000. No after MTN for the person that will draw the money. No I question them no so. So this can actually go. But it's your responsibility. It's how they call police station. Now reporting issue, no normal fair issue, no echo court. No more the letter call MTN. Now MTN for a picking some corner ko use cano. A ko you baby. Obi or merchant hono ko no. They should locate that merchant. No more kono ho. No more money date need time. When they start going through that process now, of course, forensics for anybody say, and they say, that's it, Bakona Tabaha. Nancy Nibiaba, Obia office, cameras bobo. So a bit my possible possibly a mobile Bakona camera, which can help a year Medina Cosmo. I'm a year when Paco this abonnement. But why you do abonnents also told you now, coach them now with daddy. And no. They have no right. I only saw the who hold the issue. When I saw reporting as some no, almost some your mujuma.
You're ready now. We try to
and then we walk catch Ghana for you and say, "Some there." As we begin, so be the shelter. Say, technology and they be a ambassador boy. And can technology and can be nke nipa bebe na mpo anu dia ne mpo abo mo. But yen yusu ne mfa kwan paso. Ne mfa yusu ade. Ne mfa nsiesie he man ne ekro no. Na say ukọ otu kwan na ko hu obi die na ye ofa oba ha so a wo so dia ye ofa me enyin tum say de biara e say otu kwan kwa broche na ko hu die fa so aba eden obedi hu adanse a che which matter ko mu ha abra wonko bebia na nso betime use Google map it study Boston kro bia because of course satellite no ukọ Google map na bia obo address bi she ho now use 3D concept na e betime actual road that chromo nyina abra won si chromo da the da obefa place chromo no na asa wo ko wenim sa
ɛno anse okɔ wanim saa na nimdie yi a yewrai ababa kyire sɛ wopese unya saa nimdie yi a sukuu ba akopɛ na metimi akanfo de ama wo sukuu ni din e di Open Web ICT ba yiti amenka ne bebre Open Web ICT abusua ye kyerɛ introduction to computer graphic design radio journalism and blogging photography and cinematography ye web design and PHP programming abusua oba tan a oba wie secondary school mu a mo awie university a mo so nya adwuma dem a adwuma nya mo hye dem no wo mobile phone ekuta wo no obetimi create employment e wo mobile phone so hwehwe Open Web for akira kwan frɛ wo mo e wo 0247 951 754 0247 951 754 na eni eni nkomo na bagi nimdeɛ na fa ye adwuma yebeda obia se yenuanom a moje bra mo hwɛ yen yeda mo ase papa de kan so nyankopɔn enhyira obia ɔdomfo dom yɛn ya ye wo kyena onyame nkan ho